Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your REPL and focusing on the console panel. This is where commands run and output appears. Make sure your project language /runtime matches what you intend to run, and save any unsaved files so behavior is predictable. If you use a virtual environment or package manager, activate it first. Once done, type a simple command like ls or Python main. Py to verify the console is responsive and prints output, so you know the execution path is correct. Now you execute and interact with your program directly in the console. Use the Run button for default behavior or type explicit commands such as Python main, Py or node index, JS to control execution. When the program requests input, type into the console and press enter so it proceeds. If you need packages, install them with pip or npm right there and export environment variables for secrets. Make sure to watch for error messages and line numbers so you can finish by verifying output, cleaning up state, and preparing to redeploy. You should add print or console. Log statements and step through with the debugger to confirm variable values. This helps you see the how and why of failures. If something misbehaves, restart the console or the entire REPL to clear lingering state. For network or permission problems, check Repl.it's port and privacy settings. One troubleshooting tip: if the console hangs, restart the REPL and rerun with verbose logging to capture the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.